Oh, hey, Chef PeePee.
Oh, hey, Mario.
Do you wanna watch the news?
Okay, sure. Let's see what's on.
Okay, yeah, come on. Let's just sit over here. No. Breaking news, you guys! We have just received that almost the last fidget spinners in this big trend are about to be sold. The last one is this very green fidget spinner. It's not this very last one. This is just a replica. But as you see, there's one more fidget spinner, and it's being sold at Target. So, lots of people are going to be running there. So, if you want one, better go and get it. Because otherwise you're going to be beaten up, run over by people, probably smashed by carts. You better run. You better run. You better jump in your car, just run people over to get there. You better just run. You better just punch them in the face. You better just go. I need it. No, it's mine. It's mine. No, it's mine.
Mine.
It's mine. Be there?
No, mine.
Where do you get that fidget spinner? Where'd you get it?
Yeah. Where'd you get it?
I don't know.
Why are you so dumb? Give me it. It's mine.
You get it. You have to stop. And he has to be right here, but
When they finally calm down. So, yep. Oh, what were you guys running for?
Because we wanted your fidget spinners. That's why.
Why do you want fidget spinner?
Because there's gonna be no more. Like the last one is about to be sold at Target.
Oh, why?
Because it's famous.
Why? Why?
should I get the fidget spinner for you while Mario's laying down? He's laying down.
The video's playing.
Wait.
Just forget. So yeah. But why is it being sold at Target?
Because they're famous.
Why?
Because they're famous
Gorgeous.
and they're all trendy and
Gorgeous.
they're cool. That's
They're
why.
gorgeous.
Why?
They're gorgeous.
At least, do you have any extras or where we can buy them?
Oh yeah, I have 1,000.
Okay, show us where.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey, Sonic.
I'm gonna go lay down.
And then he.
Breaking news, you guys! You guys are killing. You guys are running people over. There's blood everywhere at Target. Even cleaners, the master cleaner still hasn't been able to clean it. So now, do you know what's going to happen? The very last fidget spinner has been sold. And so no more fidget spinners. The trend is over. There's no more. If you have one, you better be careful because people are going to be sneaking into your house, murdering you, going to be grabbing it. You better hide. You better freaking hide if you have a fidget spinner. If you have a fidget spinner, you better just hide. Because they will be coming for you. They'll be coming from you. You see this curtain? They're going to be breaking through that. They're going to be stealing your stuff. They're going to be taking it. Hey, I think I remember where I kept the fidget spinners.
Really? Where are they?
Check it. Check my butt. Stick your hand in it. It might be in there.
No time for games.
No, I think I'll put it in my butt.
No, you did not, okay?
No, that's where I keep all the important things. I keep it safe there.
Like what?
Like fidget spinners. They were the
Fidget
last
cubes.
ones.
Fidget
They were
cubes.
just check.
Fidget cubes.
Fine, let me check.
Check. Oh, you're good.
Nope, they're not there.
Oh. Oh, my butt isn't that bad. Oh, I remember where it is.
So you made me do that for nothing?
Oh, I have an unlimited amount. Look. Oh, another one came out. See? And another one came out. Oh, it fell.
Fidget spinners.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's a fidget spinner.
Oh, but I know what the ultimate fidget spinner is.
Really?
I can see.
Yes.
You have to stick your whole arm.
Nope, I'll just take this one.
Don't worry, Sonic, I can do it.
Oh, okay, find it. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
And then it was the poop emoji one.
Oh, the legendary poop emoji.
So rude,
Nine? See, that's the legendary poop emoji spinner.
Oh, so big, yeah.
Hey, Chef PeePee.
He's got the ultimate spinner. Oh, that one. Actually, the green one, it was in my butt, but it just like
I cleaned this one.
it came out of my pee-pee, and then it was in my glove. So I won't
Well,
have that
at
in your mouth.
least I didn't have to put my whole arm in there.
Oh, you put it in your mouth?
Well, at least I didn't have to put my whole. At least I didn't have to put my whole arm up there. I don't know what's in there.
It was the ultimate fidget spinner.
You gave it to me.
No, I didn't. You just talking.
You said that you have an unlimited amount, so why don't you have more?
Well, let me get it.
Pause it.
I got another one. Who wants this fidget spinner? He's taking my fidget spinner.
Hey,
I want it.
Breaking news, you guys. Fidget spinners are now back because this one very weird retarded man has now an unlimited amount of fidget spinners he pulls from his glove. Here he comes now. You broke it. You broke the screen. Oh, sorry. Let me just. Hey guys, I have unlimited fidget spinners. It's in here. You like it? It's right here in my hand. Let me show you. See my hand right here? See my hand? It's about to come out. It's magic. I just got a fidget spinner out of there. You want to see me do it again, guys? You want to see me do it again? Do you want to see me do it again? Show it. Okay. Okay, I'll do it again. You want to see me do it again? I'll do it again if you want. I will do it again. Another one. Isn't it so cool? It's so cool. It came out. Cool, right? Well, now I'm going to be selling these for only $1 million. It's a good deal. So you better come down to my crazy store. Let me show you a picture of it. Right here. I'll show you a picture of my crazy store. Hey, this is my store.
Sir, that's just a Target photo.
No, that's my store. That's my store.
So you're saying that Target is your store?
Yeah. It's my store. It's my store. See, it has a target, so that's why, because it has a target. And people always try to shoot me and kill me and stab me, but I just run away, but I'm their main target. You like it?
Well, it's cool.
Breaking news, you guys. Sonic said that Target was his store, and out of nowhere, it's his store. So now, these beautiful fidget spinners, they are still $1 million, but it's a good deal, because they're the very last ones. Yes, they are. Sonic! You're always breaking stuff. What? Breaking news, you guys. Sonic, after he somehow died, no one knows how, but we have tried to pull fidget spinners out of his glove. It doesn't work. We even used his hand on his hand, and it still doesn't work. Just stop. Stop going live. Stop going live.